Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Uh, I'm Muhammad Safri together with my friend Zulfan Hisham bin Daud and Ahmad Afi Dayat. Ahmad Salini was present about wireless communication tutorial that given by our Madam Nur Azlina binti Muhammad Saleh. So this tutorial consists of 7 questions, which is each part was divided into the each people in our team. So firstly, I am Muhammad Safi Nadi Jamil. We present about my part from the question 1 until to question 3. So here is our presentation. So question 1, what is wireless communication? Wireless communication is a part from data communication which is the data or information will be delivered wirelessly. It involves the communication between two things, transmitter and receiver, without the application of wire. Generally works through electromagnetic signals that are broadcast by an enabled device within the air, physical environment, or atmosphere. So the key point for the wireless communication is to deliver a signal or information or any communication between two things without the using of wire. This means the freedom of the wire. So the example of wireless communication in our daily life is, firstly is Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi is used for access internet by our laptop, our computer or any smartphone device. And then Bluetooth and also the infrared. This switching is used for sharing the data or the signals or any entertainment thing between one point to the other point. Then the other application of wireless communication is smartphone or mobile phone. So this will connect the people in anywhere at any time. And then Astro. Astro means for channel TV that we can see any channel that that's for the Astro satellite in our house. And we can see a different channel from any other country such as Indonesia, Singapore, and Saudi. Question number 2 is briefly explain types of wireless communication. So I'll summarize this picture is a type of this wireless communication. Okay. Firstly, we have in this picture there are 4 types of wireless communication. Firstly, it's called as PAN. PAN means as personal area network. A personal area network is a computer network used for communication among computer devices, including telephone and personal digital assistant close to one person. The range of a PAN is typically a few meters. PAN can be used for communication among the personal devices themselves or for connecting to the higher level network and the internet. Personal area network may be wired with computer boxes such as USB and FireWire. However, wireless personal area network is made possible with network technologies such as infrared and Bluetooth. This is a specification for the PAN. You can see the standard PAN service is Bluetooth and the speed is below the 1 megabyte per second. The range is only short. The application is peer-to-peer and device mean is in the short direction, the short range. And then the other one is LAN. LAN. LAN is mean as a local area network. A wireless LAN or WLAN is a wireless local area network which is the linking of 2 or more computers without using wire. It uses radio communication to accomplish the same functionality that wire LAN has. Wireless local area network utilize system technology based on radio waves to enable communication between devices in a limited area, also known as the basic service cell. This gives user the mobility to move around within a broad coverage area and still be connected to the network. So this is standard for the LAN. This is standard 802.11 hyphen LAN 2, and it will speed in between to 11 to 55 megabytes per second, and the range is a medium range. The solution is enterprise network. And then we go to the MAN. MAN is a metropolitan area network. The wireless metropolitan area network is the name trademarked by the IEEE 802.16 Working Group on Broadband Wireless Access Standard for each wireless metropolitan area network standard, commercially known as WiMAX. This defines broadband internet access from a fixed or mobile device via antenna. Subscriber sessions communicate with the base station that are connected to a core network. This is good alternative to fixed line network and is simple to build and relatively inexpensive. And then we go to the ladder, wide area network 1. A wide area network 1 is a computer network covering a broad geographically area. Contrast with the personal area network, local area network, or metropolitan area network that are usually limited to a room, building, or campus. The largest and most well-known example of one is Ethernet. One are used to connect local area networks together so that user and computer in one location can communicate with users and computer in other locations. Many ones are built for one particular organization and are private. Others, built by Internet service providers, provide connection from an organization LAN to the Internet. In addition, one also refers to mobile data communication such as GSM, GPRS, and GP. And then we move to the next question. Explain the electromagnetic spectrum. The electromagnetic spectrum consists of all the different wavelengths of electromagnetic radiation, including light, radio wave, and X-ray. We name regions of the spectrum rather arbitrarily, but the name gives us a generally sense of energy of the ratio. For example, ultraviolet light. For example, ultraviolet light has shorter wavelength than radio light. The only region in the entire electromagnetic spectrum that our eyes are sensitive is to the visible region. So here is the visible region. Gamma ray, has the shortest wavelength below 0.01 nanometers, about the size of an atomic nucleus. This is the highest frequency and most attenuated region of the electromagnetic spectrum. Gamma rays can result from nuclear reactions and from processes taking place in objects such as pulsar, and black holes. X-ray rays in wavelength from 0.01 to 10 nanometers is about the size of an atom. They generated from the, for example, by superheated gas called explosive star and quasar, where temperature are near million to 10 million degrees. And then we go to the ultraviolet. Ultraviolet radiation has the wavelength of 10 until 310 nanometers, about the size of a virus. Young hot stars produce a lot of ultraviolet light and but interstellar space with the energetic light. Visible light between cover the range of wavelength from the 400 to 700 nanometers, with about the size of molecule to a photon. Our sun emits the most of its radiation in the visible rays. It is our eyes perceive as the color of the rainbow. Our eyes are sensitive only to the small portion of the electromagnetic spectrum. And then we move to the infrared. Infrared wavelength spans from 710 nanometers until 1 millimeter for the width of the pinpoint to the size of the small flash tip. At a temperature of 67 degrees Celsius, our body gives off infrared wavelengths with a peak intensity near to 900 nanometers. Let me go to the radio waves. Radio waves are longer than 1 millimeter. These are the longest waves. They have the lowest energy and associated with the lowest temperature. Radio waves are found in everywhere in the background radiation of the universe, in the interstellar clouds, and in the cold remnants of supernova explosions to a few names. Radio station use the wavelength of electromagnetic radiation to take signal that averages the definite into the cloud. So this is my presentation. I will go back to next slide. It's asking today. Assalamualaikum. My name is Alfin Dayak bin Ahmadudin. My part I will present about question 4 and question 5. Okay, question 4. A brief history of wireless communication development. Wireless communication, as you know, is started only with the work of John Maxwell and Henry Church to let the basic for our understanding of the transmission of electromagnetic waves. In 1873, the British physicist James Maxwell asked the investigation of theoretical foundation for electromagnetic waves with his famous equation. In 1888, Henry Church produced the first electromagnetic wave by supplying an electric impulse to a capacitor and then short-circuiting it. The energy from the resulting spark was radiated in the form of electromagnetic waves, and Church was able to measure the wavelength and velocity of waves called Hessian waves. In 1895, Italian the Italian scientist and inventor Guglielmo Marconi became interested in the electricity, particularly the work of Church and Maxwell. Marconi used the instrument and transmitted electric signals through the air using long-range transmission with varying transmission powers, more 200 kilowatts. Figure 1 shows Marconi's first radio transmitter used during the wireless telegraphy experimentation on July 30, 1997 at La Spezia, Italy. Okay, next question 5 is why wireless communication? Okay, it is because freedom from wireless mobility with the availability of public wireless network, the users can access the internet even outside their normal work environment. Most coffee shops, for example, offer the customer a wireless connection to the internet at little or no cost. And then global coverage got a new installation, seeing your cable running here and there, just start up the wireless device and you are ready to rumble. Then it becomes free maintenance, and then last cost because wireless communication network less expensive to install and maintenance and equivalent wireless system. Why wireless communication It will also because still connected flexibility to connect multiply device, and lastly because more user supported. Cable device can limit slot whereas wireless is not. And that pass in a friend.
Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Alfin from I would like to present about question 6 and question 7. For the question 6 is about the important challenge in wireless communication. Okay, there are two main parts, which is multi-part propagation and limited energy. Okay, for the first main part of multi-part propagation is multi-part propagation, resulting from the variety of signal parts that exist between the transmitter and receiver, which cause interference in a variety of ways, including distortion of the signal, loss of data, and multi-part fading. This part may result of reflection from building, mountains, waters, and others. It also cause blurring of the signal at the receiver. Okay, later on we will see about the figure of multi-part propagation. Okay. This one is a figure of multi-part propagation. As we can see, the distortion exists from the tree, from the building, from the reflection, called the part loss to the multi-part, to the phone. Okay, the electromagnetic is taking many parts of different lengths, and we are calling blurring of a signal at the receiver. Okay, the second main point is limited energy. Firstly, this energy consumption is a critical aspect for the wireless device. In wireless communication, required the mobile station and as powered by the one-way or rechargeable battery. From limited energy consists of a few characteristics in wireless communication. Firstly, is signal processing must be done in an energy saving manner. The second one is maximum transmission power should only used only when required. The third one is the power amplifier in the transmitter has high efficiency. That means that efficiency above 50% required mobile station. Okay, we go to the next question, which is the question 7. The question 7 is about the difference between wireless and mobile. Okay, so we go for the first point, which is wireless. Okay, for the wireless is also refer a method of transferring information between a computer device, for example of personal data system (PDA) and a data source such as database server without a physical connection. Okay, for the wireless, increase efficiency as improve communication lead to the faster transfer of information. Okay, the faster connection speed and often less expensive. Okay, for the user bandwidth is around 1 until 20 megabytes. It's connected in multiple devices simultaneously, and the disadvantages is are unsecure as the network connection is being shared and as easy to interface from the other user. Okay, for the example of the device is a cellular telephone, two-way radio, fixed wireless connection and satellite communication. Okay, example. So we go to the mobile. Mobile. Okay, mobile, as we know, is a portable device that are able to bring to anywhere or traveling. Okay, for the mobile, you need a rechargeable of internet battery. For the power, energy efficiency is the major concern in a mobile device. Must connected to the modern network to send and receive data. Okay, for the slow connection, speed based on the data rate of or internet and expensive. Okay, the speed of the data based on the provider of the internet provider, such as Telcom, DG, Netflix, and so on. And the last one is more secure as network connection are not being shared. As an example of the mobile is a smartphone, laptop, computer, PDA, and others. Okay, that's it for my presentation. Thank you for listening.